everyone, welcome on Frogtech Tips. Today I just got a short video to show you how to apply the temper glass with the special liquid. This liquid is for make any edges or bubble off. I will show you how to apply this special liquid. It's really cool stuff, I like it, and it's much better than usually before, because make edges, especially on the corner screen. Okay, here you go, let's go do it. Open the number one wet wipe and clean the screen. Once you clean down, take the number two, which is a remove the little wet and final clean. Just remember, better you clean, better it looks. Okay, that's good. For me, I'll be used my special cloth for that, because it looks like a little bit not dirty, I mean a little bit foggy or something like that. Yeah, that looks good for me. Now take the new temper glass and remove the step one. I always go from the camera position, find the middle. Once you got the middle in, just put the line exactly on the middle. And push all the bubble out the most you can. You should have left only the side one, for which one you use that special liquid. There you go. And now we use this special liquid just cut the top. Now we'll go from side. Let's put it on the side. And once the screen down, you see it's slowly disappear. See that bubble is here still, but I use the liquid over here and it's disappear. And just continue to every single side. Okay, final one. Also on this corner, need a little more. Okay, and that's it. You can see there is no anymore that side bubble, and this looks absolutely nice. Need a little bit more clean because the dirty and finger over there, but that's fine. That's you can clean with the alcohol or something. But hopefully you like it. Don't forget click like and yeah, subscribe and share my channel because I like you. See you later, alligator, on my next videos. Bye bye.